Number 1. 1951 Buick Special Deluxe Sedan, $3,800, Dobbins, California. This 1951 Buick Special Deluxe is powered by the dependable 263 cubic inch straight-eight engine paired with a manual transmission. The seller has revived the car after years of neglect by freeing the engine, cleaning the fuel system, repairing wiring, replacing the front passenger floor, and installing 2 new tires and a new battery. It starts easily, runs, drives, and stops well, although it still needs a muffler, interior restoration, and replacement rear glass, which is included. The Buick Special is admired for its smooth straight-eight engine and elegant post-war styling. This is a complete solid project with much of the difficult mechanical work already completed, making it an excellent restoration candidate. Number 2. 1960 AMC Rambler Sedan, $4,500, Menifee, California. This 1960 AMC Rambler Sedan has been upgraded with a reliable 1985 Toyota 22R 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The body received professional rust repairs and new floor panels in 2017, and the car has been stored indoors for several years. It will likely need a battery, fuel pump, and minor attention before returning to the road. The Toyota 22R engine is famous for durability and inexpensive maintenance, making this Rambler far easier to own than many vintage classics. It offers an interesting blend of American styling and dependable Japanese engineering. Number 3. 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $3,000, Eugene, Oregon. This 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III is equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 108,000 miles, it runs and drives, but requires several repairs to become a dependable cruiser. It also comes with a clean title. The Mark III was Lincoln's answer to the personal luxury coupe market and remains known for its elegant styling and effortless highway comfort. At only $3,000, it presents an affordable entry into classic luxury ownership. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet Nova Coupe, $2,950. Portland, Oregon. This 1979 Chevrolet Nova is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock carburetor, headers, dual exhaust, Kragar wheels, and air shocks. The engine starts and runs, but the car needs some finishing work. It also features power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, and a clean title. Sharing its platform with several General Motors models, the Nova is a favorite for street and drag racing projects. This solid, complete example offers outstanding value for performance enthusiasts. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Luxury Touring, $8,000, Eau Claire, Wisconsin. This one-owner 1978 Chevrolet Camaro luxury touring remains remarkably original with its 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It features cruise control, color-keyed aluminum wheels, and recent upgrades including a new battery, starter, headlights, and taillights. Minor rust, a small seat tear, and a slight fluid drip are the only reported flaws. Original, one-owner Camaros continue to become harder to find. This survivor offers an excellent combination of originality, documentation, and everyday drivability. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette L82, $8,500, Woodinville, Washington. This matching number's 1979 Chevrolet Corvette L82 has only 44,000 original miles and retains its rare mirrored blue T-top roof panels. It has received extensive mechanical restoration, including rebuilt brakes, suspension, steering, cooling system, power steering, and ignition components, along with new leather upholstery and carpet. The L82 package delivered stronger performance than the standard Corvette, making it one of the most desirable late 70s models. This well-maintained example is ready for reliable weekend driving. Number 7. 1975 Mercury Montego Coupe, $6,500, Modesto, California. This 1975 Mercury Montego is an all-original coupe powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. Showing 85,087 miles, it runs, drives, has a solid body, and carries registration valid through February 2027. The Montego is a rarely seen intermediate Mercury that shares dependable Ford mechanical components. Its originality makes it an appealing restoration candidate for collectors. Number 8. 1965 Plymouth Valiant 200 Sedan, $8,000, Ontario, California. This factory V8, 4-speed 1965 Plymouth Valiant now runs a 70s 318 cubic inch engine while retaining its original manual transmission and Hurst shifter. Additional upgrades include an Edelbrock carburetor, Y-end intake manifold, Champion radiator, bucket seats, dual exhaust, and a Barracuda grille. The car is registered, insured, and ready to drive. Factory V8 Valiants are uncommon and highly appreciated among Mopar enthusiasts. This example combines originality with tasteful performance upgrades. Number 9. 1950 Dodge Coronet 4-door, $6,850, Denver, Colorado. This 1950 Dodge Coronet is powered by the original 226 cubic inch flathead 6 engine with a 3-speed transmission. Showing only 48,000 original miles, it runs exceptionally well, drives smoothly, carries a clean title, and is described as being in excellent condition. The Coronet is respected for its rugged engineering and dependable flathead engine. Well-preserved survivors like this are becoming increasingly difficult to locate. Number 10. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, $5,000, Chandler, Arizona. This 1980 Chevrolet Corvette has 93,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a clean title and solid transmission, although the engine has a knocking noise. The air conditioning components are included but not functioning, while the paint remains presentable despite minor cosmetic flaws. The C3 Corvette continues to be one of America's most recognizable sports cars. This example offers an affordable foundation for an engine rebuild or performance upgrade. Number 11. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $6,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is powered by a 350 crate engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives smoothly, although it requires electrical work. The previous hydraulic suspension has been removed and the wheels are not included. The Monte Carlo remains a popular personal luxury coupe with strong aftermarket support. Its upgraded drivetrain makes it an attractive project for enthusiasts seeking dependable V8 performance. Number 12. 1968 Ford LTD 4-door, $6,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1968 Ford LTD is equipped with the legendary 390 FE V8 and automatic transmission. Upgrades include improved suspension, performance exhaust, BF Goodrich tires, Holley carburetor, and a new aluminum radiator that is included with the sale. The seller also reports no body rust, making this Arizona car a dependable driver or restoration candidate. The Ford LTD is known for its comfortable ride and durable full-size construction. Rust-free examples with strong FE engines continue to attract classic Ford enthusiasts. Number 13. 1973 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, $9,500, Ramona, California. This 1973 Buick Riviera boat tail is powered by the desirable 455 cubic inch V8 with a new carburetor and fuel sending unit. The air conditioning and emissions pump have been disconnected, while only minor body damage and a missing center console are noted. The famous boat tail Riviera is one of General Motors' most distinctive designs of the 1970s. Strong V8 power and iconic styling make this a highly collectible luxury coupe. Number 14. 1963 Dodge Dart 270 Sedan, $9,500, Clayton, Delaware. This 1963 Dodge Dart 270 has only 52,000 miles and benefits from extensive recent maintenance, including a new Weber carburetor, tires, brakes, water pump, radiator, hoses, belts, coolant, transmission service, and complete tune-up. The floors and trunk remain solid, with only minor body imperfections and a small exhaust leak remaining. The early Dodge Dart is respected for its lightweight construction and dependable Chrysler engineering. This well-maintained example is ready to enjoy immediately, while leaving only minor cosmetic work for its next owner.